we are going to find the area bounded by the curve using geometrical interpretation. See here, for example, x and y. This is first case. Totally 4 cases are there. See here, this is the curve C, D. X is equal to A, x is equal to B, y is equal to f of x. We can find the area, this area bounded by the curve, with the help of the formula integral. This is the limit A, x is equal to A, x is equal to B, bounded by the region with the limit A and B, y dx. Here y is equal to f of x. This is the first case if the curve area of the region lies above the x-axis. Next, the second one is if the curve lies below the x-axis. See here, x, y, y dash. Suppose the curve lies below the x-axis, that is A, B, C, D. X is equal to A, x is equal to B, y is equal to f of x. The formula for finding area is integral A to B minus y dx. Again you can rewrite and write minus of y dx. Here y is equal to f of x. This is second case. See, next consider the third case. Suppose the curve lies right side of y axis. See here, this is the curve bounded by the region. Here y is equal to C, y equal to D, x is equal to f of y. Suppose the curve bounded by the region x is equal to fy with the limit C and D. How we can find the area? Area is equal to x dy. X is equal to f of y. This formula when you have to use, suppose if the curve lies to the right side of y axis, that means you have to use this formula. Next, our fourth case is, see here, our fourth case, x, y. Suppose our curve lies to the left side of y axis, that means like this, bounded by the region here. Y is equal to C, y is equal to D, x is equal to f of y. Suppose if it lies left of y axis, then how you can find the area? You can use formula C to D. Our limit is C and D. C to D minus y dx. Here what is the value of y here? Y is equal to minus x dy. What is the value of x here? X is equal to f of y. Okay, have you understood, children? These are the 4 cases we can use it in our problem for finding the area of the curve. Okay. Last thing is how you have to find the angle between two curves. Angle between two curves. See here, this is one angle, this is one angle. You can find the angle between two curves. This one you can write as f of x. Here g of x. That means see integral 0 to a f of x minus g of x into dx. This is the formula we can use it here, a to b. Sorry, a to b f of x minus g of x into dx. This is the formula we can find area between two curves. What is the area occupied by these two curves? This area between the two curves we can find using this formula integral a to b f of x minus g of x into dx. Have you understood, children? See here in page number 64. some 7 problems given. Now I am going to do one by one. See. What is the first problem given? Using integration, find the area of the region bounded by the line 2y plus x is equal to y. The x-axis and the lines x is equal to 2, x is equal to 4. 3.1. First you have to draw the diagram with the help of the given data. See what is given? 2y plus x is equal to 8. First you find the values. See, first put x is equal to 0. X is 0 putting y value 8 by 2 is 4. Next put y is equal to 0. The answer is 8. Now you draw the diagram for this. See. What is the first coordinate point given? 0, 4. 0, 4. Our next point is 8, 0. Here you can plot 8, 0. Now you join the number. Next, what is given in the question? X is equal to 2, x is equal to 4. That means, see here, x is equal to 2. This is the line. X is equal to 2. Next, what is x is equal to 4 means? Here you have to draw the line. X is equal to 4. Which area you have to find? This one. This is the bounded area. For this, you have to find the area. Okay, children? See. Which side it is present? Now see here, it is present above the x-axis. That means what formula you have to use? Area is equal to integral a to b y dx. Have you understood, children? Above x-axis means y dx. Suppose it is below the y-axis in Kutunanga, you have to write minus y dx. Have you understood? Now what is the limit present here? This is present between 2 and 4. Now, the limit is actually 2 and 4. Now you substitute the y value. What is given? Question 2y plus x is equal to 8. What is y? X is 8 minus x by 2. This is the value of y. Just you substitute here 8 minus x by 2 dx. Now we can integrate. See, take this half outside. Now half half into integral 2 to 4 8 minus x dx. Now you integrate this. See, what is the value of 8 dx? Half 8x. 8 integrate panninga, you have to write 8x. If you integrate x, you will get minus x square by 2 with the limit 2 to 4. Now you substitute the value. Limit apply upper limit minus lower limit. So 8 4s are. Now you substitute upper limit minus 4 square by 2. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit is 2 here. So 8 into 2. 2 square by 2. Okay. Now what is the value of for this? 32 minus 16 by 2 is 8. Minus 16 minus 2. Half into 24 minus 14. Now what is the answer for this? 10 by 2. Our area is equal to, what is the value? 5 square units. Have you understood, children? This diagram is very important. In the diagram you can apply this formula. Which formula? Okay. Next to see. Second problem. See the second problem. Find the area bounded by the line. One equation is given. Then y is equal to 1, y is equal to 3 on the x-axis. First you draw the diagram. See, write the equation. Y minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now you find the coordinate points. Just substitute x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, what is the value of y? Y and add the minus 4 in the plus 4. So the value is plus 4. Next substitute y is equal to 0. அப்ப என்ன வரும்? See, y minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Substitute y is equal to 0. அப்ப என்ன இந்த 2x அந்த பக்கம் போய்டும். Minus will become plus 2x. Then you bring this to this side. Denominator வந்துச்சுனா by 2. So x is equal to minus 2. So the value is minus 2. Okay. Now you found 2 points. Now with the help of this we can draw the diagram. See? Draw the diagram. X, y. What is the first point? 0, 4. 0, 4. Next point is minus 2, 0. That means here. Minus 2, 0. Like this you can draw. Next what is given? See here. Y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 3. That means here. Y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 3. Which portion you have to find the area? If in the area, in the region, in the portion கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா, see this one. For this one, this portion only you have to find the area. Which formula we can apply means, see here. This is lies to the x-axis, above the x-axis. That means, see, area integral c to d x dy. Have you understood, children? With the limit 1 and 3. என்ன limit கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Bounded by the region 1 and 3. So you have to write our upper limit is 3, lower limit is 1. So 1 and 3. What is the value of x here? In x கொண்டு வாங்க. See, y minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. அப்ப x is equal to கொண்டு வாங்க. You bring everything to this side. இந்த 2x இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்துருங்க. y minus 4 is equal to 2x. Y minus 4 by 2 is equal to x. This is the value of x. Now you substitute here. See, our x is y minus 4 by 2 into dy. Now you have to integrate with respect to y. When you half irka, take it outside. Half into integrate 1 to 3 y minus 4 dy. என்ன ஆன்சர் வரும்? half into y square by 2 minus 4y with the limit 1 and 3. Our actually what is given? Our limit is between 1 and 3. Substitute the upper limit here. 3 3s are 9. 9 by 2 minus 4 3s are 12. Minus half minus 4. Upper limit minus lower limit. Now 9 minus 24 by 2 minus 1 minus 8 by 2. What is the answer for this? What is 24 minus 9? Tell me. 15. Minus 15 by 2. Here minus into minus plus side. 8 minus 1 is 7. Plus 7 by 2. So minus 15 by 2. See here. Plus 7 by 2. What is the answer? See here you have to put minus 8. Upper limit minus lower limit. Put minus 8. Half into. Now you subtract this. What you can get? See 15 minus 7 by 2. Our answer is minus 8 by 2. If you cancel this, what you will get? 15 by 2. You will get 2 2s are 4. Our answer is 2. So area is 2 square units. Have you understood, children, what I am getting? See, y square by 2 minus 4y. Our limit is between 1 and 3. So substitute here. In the place of y, first substitute the upper limit. 9 by 2 minus 12. 12 2s are 24. Minus 15 by 2. This is upper limit. Minus of lower limit. Here our lower limit is 1. So 1 by 2 minus 4. Minus 7 by 2. Minus into minus plus. So you will get 8 by 2. If you cancel, you will get 2 square units. Have you understood? Next is see. Next third problem you have to do by yourself. See the question. Find the area bounded by the parabola y square equal to 4ax and its lattice rectangle. Third question. See, I answer 2. See here.
Oh no.
See, calculate the area bounded by the parabola. That means here first you draw the diagram, parabola. See, this is the parabola, the limit 0 and a. This is the bounded region. For this, you have to find the area. This is x-axis, y-axis. Already this under in 10th standard you have learned how to draw the parabola. See here, what is given? Y square is equal to 4ax. That means what is y? Take the root. Root 4ax. Root 4 is 2. 2 root a root x. This is the value of y. So now you substitute the formula. Area 0 to a. Parabola means you have to write twice of. See, this is already given in example problem. See the example problem. You have to write twice of a to b. 0 to a. Y dx. Here our limit is 0 to a. Twice of 0 to a. What is the value of y here? 2 root a root x dx. Now take this 2 root a outside. 2 into 2 root a 0 to a root x dx. Now 2 2's are 4 root a. This root x you can write as x power 1 by 2. See here, 0 to a x power 1 by 2 dx. If you integrate, you will get x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So the limit 0 to a. Have you understood, children? Now take this to numerator. 4 root a into 2 by 3. A power 3 by 2 minus, next our lower limit is 0. Now you multiply this. 8 root a by 3. This a power 3 by 2. How you can write a power 3 by 2? A into root a. Have you understood, children? See, if you multiply product rule, a power 1, a power 1 by 2. Then you add panina, you will get 3 by 2. Okay? So this one you can write a into root a. Now what is root a into root a? That is a. Already for a. So a into a is a square. So our answer is 8a square by 3. Have you understood, children? See, first you should know how to draw the diagram. With the help of this diagram, easily you can substitute in a formula. Okay. See, like this, do 4th problem as homework. Okay. Now next I will do 5th sum. See what is given. See the 5th question. With the help of this, you have to draw the diagram first. See what is given. Y minus 1 is equal to x. Just you substitute and find first two values here. X, y. If x is equal to 0, x is 0, putting what is the value of y here? 1. Suppose if this y is 0, our value of x is minus 1. Okay. Now with the help of the data, you can draw the diagram. 0, 1 here. Next, minus 1, 0. 0, 1, minus 1, 0. What is given next to see here? X is equal to minus 2. That means here you have to draw the diagram. X is equal to minus 2. Next thing is x is equal to 3. Here. Which area you have to find? See, this is the bounded area. Our area lies between minus 2, minus 1 and 3. This is the bounded area. For this you have to find the area. Okay. See here. What lies between minus 1 and minus 2. This lies between, see, our left hand side. That means you have to write minus y dx plus integral. What is the next region here? Minus 1 to 3. Minus 2 to minus 1. Next minus 1 to 3 y dx. Have you understood, children? Now we can eliminate this minus. Eppadi eliminate pannalam? You can interchange this upper limit and lower limit. Appo inga enna varum parunga? See here. Minus 2 to minus 1. What is the value of y here? Y is equal to x plus 1. Take this minus 1 to this side. Now enna vaidum? Plus 1. Okay. Now we substitute here. Minus 2 to minus 1. X plus 1 dx. Okay. See what is given? Interchange and write here. Minus 1 to minus 2. If you minus eliminate panna, you have to interchange this. But this one will become minus 2, this one will become minus 1. Plus integral minus 1 to 3 x plus 1 dx. Now integrate this. So integrate panina enna varum? You will get x square by 2 plus x. Our limit is minus 1 to minus 2. Plus here also x square by 2 plus x. Minus 1 to 3. Now you substitute the value. First substitute upper limit here. What is our upper limit? Minus 2. That means 4 by 2 minus 2 minus. What is our lower limit here? Minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 plus. Next our upper limit is 3 here. Upper 3 square is 9. 9 by 2 plus 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, children. Now you cancel this 2 minus 2, 0. 0 minus of 1 by 2 plus 9 plus 6 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. What is the answer for this? 1 by 2 plus 15 by 2 minus into minus here is plus 1 by 2. Our answer is 17 by 2 square units. Area. This is the answer. Have you understood, children? Here what we are doing, we have to find the curve bounded by the area of these two regions, minus 2 to minus 1, after minus 1 to 3. So we are applying, see here, two integrals. Okay? See next, sixth problem. Find the area of the region lying in the first quadrant bounded by the curve y is equal to 4x square. See, that means our curve will be like this. Y is equal to 4x square. Here x is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 4. So that means see, this is y is equal to 4. We have to find the area which is present in first quadrant. So that means our formula is see here. Area is equal to integral a to b y dx. Okay. Here what is the value of y here? See, our limit is between 0 and 4. So 0 and 4. Y is equal to 4x square. See, this is lies between right side of y axis. That means you have to write x dy. Okay, children. So what value you have to substitute here? What is the value of x? See, y is equal to 4x square. Y by 4 is equal to x square. What is the value of x? Take root of y by 4. That means root y by 2. Have you understood? Now you substitute here root y by 2 dy. Take this half outside. 0 to 4 root y dy. See, root y is nothing but y power 1 by 2. If you integrate this, you will get half y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. The limit is between 0 and 4. Now you substitute here half into, take this 3 by 2 to numerator. Into 2 by 3. 4 power 3 by 2 minus 0. Lower limit is 0. Half into 2 get cancelled. So 1 by 3 into 4 power 3 by 2. Like previous problem, how you can write this 3 by 2? You can write it as 1 by 3 into 4 into root 4. Have you understood, children? 4 into root 4 is nothing but 4 power 3 by 2. So our answer is, what is the root 4 value? 2. So our answer is 8 by 3 square unit. This is the answer for 6th problem. Have you understood, children? Like this you have to do 7th problem. Totally I get 2 problems as homework, 4 and 7th problem. Okay. With this exercise 3.1 over. Remaining thing afterwards I will do. Thank you, children.